Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. So if you have got this problem, there might be several reasons and I will talk about them and I will show you the solutions, what you need to do. The first reason why it might be disabled for you is because you have a new account on MetaTrader 5 and you need to make a first deposit before you can actually start trading. So this is the first reason, but if you have already made the deposit, another thing you can do is go to your phone settings and you need to go to your phone storage. You can just use the search bar or you can just go to the general and right here you'll see iPhone storage. You need to click on it and you need to find the MetaTrader 5 in the list. Here is the app. We need to click on it and we need to offload the app if we are using the Apple, or if you have got the Android, you need to uninstall your app and reinstall it again. So let's click offload in this case. And then you need to click reinstall app. And your app is reinstalled, guys, and most likely this will solve your problem. But if the trading is still disabled, there could be another reason. The reason might be that the market is closed and you need to wait until the market reopens. So that's all I want to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.